Hey students, this is Mrs. Watts, and I am showing you how to get around Jefferson Middle School. So I'm starting out on the south side of the building. So this is where the buses come to drop you off. And then you're gonna come into these doors right here. And this is the main hall. And there will be people to greet you and to show you where to go. So this is the main hall. You can see a couple people there talking, and there'll be people standing there to help you out. And then right away, you are gonna go into the main office and say hello to Dr. Kane. And here are the lovely ladies in the office, and it always pays to be nice to the office staff. There's Miss Lori, Miss Danielle, and Miss Hagan. All right, so this is the main office. So you're gonna back out of the main office, and you're gonna go back down here. So this is the main hall. And there's Miss Nichols and Mr. Ramadan, so you can say hello to them, friendly faces at Jeff. So off of the main hall is the red hall. And that's the hall that goes to the new wing. But right now we're gonna stick in the main hallway, and we're gonna walk down, and I'm gonna show you, here's the first door to the small gym, which you probably won't be hanging out there very much this year. And then this, as you can see, is the White Hall. And it's called the White Hall because all the lockers are, well, kind of white, okay, kind of light colored. And it tells you what rooms are down this hall. So you can see those are the room numbers that are down this hall. So if you have a class in room 101, you would go down this White Hall. We're gonna continue down the main hallway, and you can see lockers on either side, which mostly are not gonna be used because as we know, most students will not have a locker. All right, before I get to the blue hall, I am going to see that there's a short staircase right here, and you can see the big sign that says Cyclone Records. I'll go down there in a second. That is a particular area that you may or may not be involved in. But here we are back in the main hall. Now here is the blue hall. And this is called Blue Hall for reasons that are unclear to me because nothing is blue in this hall except for a couple doors. But you can see it says Blue Hall, and then those are the rooms that are in the Blue Hall, as well as the teacher's workroom, okay? So there is the Blue Hall. Now I'm gonna go down these stairs, so I'm still in the main hall. There's Miss Alex, and she works in the media center, so she's another friendly face. So I'm going down the stairs, and you might recognize to the left here are the doors to the auditorium. So if you've ever been to a play or to a basketball game, you probably were in there. So here's the auditorium. There's our basketball court. There's all our seats and the balcony, okay? I'm gonna go out again, and I'm gonna show you. So we're still, again, this is the main hall. All right, and now we're gonna go out, and this is the north door. And I know it's the north door because it's facing north, and here is our media center. So this is when people talk about the door near the media center, that's what we're talking about. And here is our media center, and way back there is Miss Kylie waving at you, okay? So real quick, I'm gonna show you what the north entrance looks like. So this is where you will come in if you are a parent drop-off. And then when you get picked up in the afternoon, this is the north side of the building. So we're looking at Hickman Avenue, okay? And Hickman High School is just yonder, and Columbia College is right up there. And I don't want to go out any further because then I'll get locked in. Okay, so this is the north door. I'm going to go back up so you can see lots of signs to help you. So I'm going to go back up to the main office, and I'm going to show you that little area that goes down. There's Miss Alex again. Okay, so we're all moving around, getting ready for you to come around. And if we go here, we can see that's the other door to the small gym. So you're gonna go, there's lost and found. So if you lose something, that's where it gets stored. So we're gonna go down these stairs right here. And you can see that this is the gym again. So there's another view of the basketball court. And you can see there's stairs right there, and those lead to the boys' locker room, okay? And there are also stairs here, going down here, and that's to the girls' locker room. And then this room is room 26, and that is down there. And in the past, that was all kinds of things. Most recently, it was where the choir was, and I frankly don't know what is gonna be there. But if you have a class in room 26, that's where you go. Okay, gonna make one more. It is choir down there? Yes, ma'am. Mr. Schrader says it's choir down there again. Okay, so I'm gonna go down this hall, and I am going to show you a couple things. Here is the boys' bathroom. I'm not gonna go in there, but you know. This is, if you notice, the up staircase. So if you have to go up to the second floor, you're gonna use this staircase in the blue hall, because we talked about the need for traffic to go all in one place. And right here are a couple classrooms, and you can see there's Mr. Dwyer in there. And I know that it's Mr. Dwyer because I can see his name next to his room number 119. Okay, so these are just some classrooms here, and I did want to show you the up staircase. So right there, let's focus in again. And we're gonna go back to the other hallway so I can show you the down staircase. Because if you're in an upper floor and you need to get down, you're going to use that other staircase. And you can also see lots of things on the floor to help guide you and keep you socially distant and safe. So here I am back to the south entrance. Main office is right up there. And now we're back in the white hall. I can see it because it says so. So I'm gonna walk down here and I'm gonna show you, this is the girls' bathroom, okay? So boys and girls' bathrooms are not in the same hallway. So that's the girls' bathroom. And then look here, here is your down staircase. So when you're on an upper floor, you're gonna come down this staircase, okay? And there's Miss Peggy. She's someone helping to keep you safe here at Jefferson Middle School. Okay, so I'm gonna go back out and I'm gonna show you the red hall. And you can see, so here I am back in the main hall, and I can see that sign there tells me there's a new wing. So to get to the new wing, which I might have to do, I'm gonna go to the red hall. So here is the red hall, and you can see it's red because it's got red lockers. So I'm gonna go walk down the red hall. So I can see this is the only place that has these red lockers. Notice, just a bottle filling station here. Don't drink directly from the water fountain, okay? And then, this is important, here is where the cafeteria is. So it's this half wall right here, and you're going to go right here, down the steps, looking north, okay? Gonna go down these steps right here. Gonna be really careful on the steps. Gonna stay to the right. Gonna maintain distance from people, okay? I'm gonna go around, and here are the doors to the cafeteria. And I'm gonna show you real quick, there's gonna be people in here even. This is what the cafeteria looks like. So we're gonna just say, hi, Miss Betty. Hello. All right, so that is the cafeteria. So I'm gonna stop this video to make a different one. There's another student hanging out. I'm gonna make a different video so this isn't too long at one whack. I hope this helps you on your education journey.